So if your skincare routine could use a little refreshing and your biggest concerns are wrinkles, fine lines, loss of firmness, really any sign of aging, PHYTOMER's Age Solution Starter Kit will give you everything you need for youthful skin. I'll show you what comes in it. Gentle Cleansing Milk is a super gentle hydrating cleanser that you'll want to use day and night. And Rosée Visage is a rose water and seawater based cleanser, toner, and eye makeup remover to leave your complexion feeling super fresh and energized. This is the Expert Youth Wrinkle Correction Cream, and it's the perfect day cream to regenerate the skin and smooth wrinkles thanks to a powerful brown algae extract. Night Recharge Youth Enhancing Cream helps to boost the repairs and detoxification that's naturally taking place while you sleep, so that when you wake up, you'll have a bright, even, glowing complexion. There are also a few samples included. Vegetal Exfoliant is a creamy enzyme mask that gently dissolves dead cells from your skin's surface, creating a silky, smooth texture. Then, after exfoliating, you apply this mask, Youth Reviver Age Defense Mask, to regenerate the skin and smooth wrinkles. Using these two products is like giving yourself a facial at home. And that's everything that comes in PHYTOMER's Age Solution Starter Kit.